To replace an ink pack on the SureColor S9170, open up the slot with the empty ink pack by pushing the lever to the right and removing the tray with the empty ink pack. Grab the ink pack here on the top and remove it from the tray. Now we're going to get our new ink pack, also hold it here on the top and put it into the tray. One feature on this printer is that we can mix and match 1500 milliliter and 800 milliliter ink packs for each color. So as you have noticed, I had the smaller one, the 800 milliliter here previously. I'm going to replace it now with a 1500 milliliter ink pack. Next, check on the label on the ink pack on the bottom right corner how often you should shake the ink before inserting it. In this case, we have the green and it says 25 times. So put your thumb on here, hold the ink pack, and shake it 25 times. And insert it back into the slot and lock it by moving the lever to the left. That's it. That's how you replace an ink pack.